What's going on, internet? And the new update to Friend Connector. All right, so some super exciting updates. You want to make sure you stay to the end so you get all the updates and how it works. So obviously I hope you guys are having safe travels out there. I know the news is going crazy, everything's on lockdown because the whole thing going on. I don't even know if I can say it because I don't want YouTube like freaking out. But you kind of know what I'm talking about. So hopefully you have stocked up on toilet paper and done your due diligence there. I don't even know. I don't know why the madness of toilet paper, but I guess people think if you stock up on toilet paper, that it's somehow gonna make you immune from all the stuff that's out there. So anyways, with that being said, we're just gonna hop right into my computer, show you the sweet updates, how to use this tool to grow your Facebook network and build your network, make sales, and we'll just dive right in. All right, guys, we're here on my computer and we're gonna go ahead and just show you guys the basically the update right away. I don't need to go anywhere to activate this. All I have to do is just open up the Friend Connector Chrome extension right here, boom, and I'm gonna click these little dots right here. It's gonna pop open a menu, and this is one of the updates, guys. So this is super cool. If you guys missed the other updates that I shot, it'll be in this card or wherever popping up on this video. If you missed the updates that I already went over, and basically you can add friends on posts now and on ads and things like that. And I talked about post filter, another Chrome extension that I'll be selling / giving away to people, my subscribers on YouTube. So make sure you guys get subscribed, comment on my videos for a chance to win a free copy of Friend Connector or post filter. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna click right there. It's going to open this menu, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to show these two little messages. So this is part of the update, guys. Is Friend Connector has now the option to send messages. All right, that's a huge deal. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create message segments first. All right, so what message segments are is pretty much your what we're going to do is just show you. All right, message segments, I kind of have them created already. As I titled this first message segment greetings, all right, because I just want to say hi, first name. Obviously, you can type whatever. So we'll delete these just as an example, just to show you guys. So make sure you title your greetings segment. The message, hey. Another message. Well, I don't have junk popping up on my desktop here. We're gonna go back there, edit, and we pretty much already created these two, and just to show you guys how greetings, right? So we're gonna save that. Now we're gonna come to, you can click add, but since I already have this one already saved, I'm gonna go here, name it introduction. So introduction, saw you were in a Facebook group and looking to connect with like-minded people. Or I could say, I noticed we're in the same Facebook group and wanted to connect with like-minded people. All right, we're gonna add that, and we could keep coming up with these types of messages, right? So we'll go ahead and save that. You guys might put, well, this doesn't matter. This greeting is pretty generic. The reason why I titled it Facebook group is because say if I want to create an introduction for like, not Facebook groups, like basically you can come under your suggested friends or people you may know and add them from that list. You can add them from ads. So I could do introductions, intro introduction ads, and then say, hey, or noticed you liked the same ad, or you could say like the same type of marketing as me. Well, you know, whatever, you could just save that, add that in there, click save. All right, and so basically you can use these different message segments for different types of depending on where you're adding friends from, right? You could be in a group, you could be on a post, you could be on an ad, you could be suggested friends list, or suggested, or maybe you could actually target other people's friends who they just added. So lots of different ways you can add friends on Facebook, obviously. So you'll need a couple different segments for those specific types of ways. So we're good on that. Now we're going to go to message groups. All right. Now I already created one, guys, so I'm going to delete this and we'll start over. All right. So of course we're going to title our message group. So message, let's say greeting for groups. Okay. We're going to come here. We're going to click message segment, right? Because that's what we did. We built a message segment first. We're going to include the greeting. All right. The greeting is going to be the first part of our message. All right. The next one's going to be introduction to Facebook groups. So that's the one, like I said, depending on which one we're going to target. So we're going to do that. We're going to save that message segment greetings. We're going to build another message group, or this is going to be part of the message group as a whole, but you get the idea. Now, if I had a different introduction, like Facebook groups 1, Facebook groups 2, if I had different message segments, I could do that. But as an example, what I'm going to do, message segment, groups again, and now we're going to, you could do keywords like first name and last name again, or you can do static text. All right, so that could be part of the message. You could do static text again. We'll click done though. Save that. And now we have our first greeting for groups. We got our first message group. All right, so that's cool. Now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna go to a group. The typical way you can add friends on Facebook with Friend Connector. And we're gonna go here. We are going to click greeting for groups. So what you'll do is you'll come down here, and if you have multiple message groups, obviously you would select the correct one. Like if you had one greeting for ads or messages for ad or for groups. So I probably should have named that like you know, you can name it whatever you want, but that helps me kind of remember a little bit better. So messages for groups, you could select that message group and click basically run. Okay. I'm actually going to clean this up a little bit. Let's see. So, okay, actually that's good. I think that's all we had in there. Okay. Now we're just gonna run the software. So, I usually limit the number of requests, but you don't have to. And this is just a demo. Resume from last search. No, we're gonna add these people with these keywords and select that. We're gonna click run. And it's gonna run. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna send a message. It'll actually I'll show you guys what it sends. So as you can see here, it's adding a friend here, co-owner at Reactive Staffing Solutions. Now it's going to go send a message. So like I'm hands-free right now. It's doing all the work. It's sending the message out. Pretty cool. So you're in a Facebook group looking to connect with like-minded people. Let's do it. Let us do its thing real quick. Boom, it's going to add somebody else. Now, this is going to go on and on and on and on. Right? It's scanning through a lot of people. Boom, 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 boom. And it's just going to keep going on and on and on until it finds the people with those types of keywords in their name there. And it's just going to add people. Yeah, you know, I can take these keywords out, obviously, and it'll just add everybody or whatever. So obviously you'll just have to watch my last few videos of like how Friend Connector works if you don't know how it works yet. But yeah, that's the tool, guys, and that's how you're going to grow your network. Obviously build your friends list. You can do Facebook Lives and post about your businesses and things like that, and that's how you get sales, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Friend Connector during this launch is going to be priced really affordably, and basically, yeah, guys. So the first like 15 people are going to get this at a low price before the price goes up. The sticker price of this software right now is $77, guys. So you want to make sure you guys lock in the low affordable price by just clicking the link below in the description in this video to find out more information. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this video and all that good stuff, you know what to do. If you don't like it, you know what to do. And please subscribe if you like content like this, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next video and at the bank. Peace.